just gonna unlock your neck. In there. Yeah. Now we're gonna get your low back. Your hips are a little tilted this way. You're a little bit tilted to this side, so whenever you're ready, lay on your left side. You know what happened.
But it felt good.
It did feel good, right?
It feels good.
Now you're gonna lay on that shoulder. You're gonna support. You're gonna lay on your side. Lay on
Okay.
your left side. Okay.
Left side?
Yeah. Face me over here.
Okay.
You're gonna expect that.
It's good though, it's unexpected.
Alright, I'm gonna realign your low back. Your hips are a little relaxed.
Oh!
How'd that feel? Good.
I feel good.
Good. Go over to this side.